This is one of the many master plan neighborhoods that we have designed for Amarillo. This one contains just under 1,000 units. There's a section on the one side of the highway, we're not showing the highway here, that is very hilly. And then there's another section that is flat. And what we like to do with flat areas is create a walk system that you could see right through the site. So we have a power line easement. That's the straight walk system that you see, and you'll see the towers. You can start seeing those towers that exist. And this is the actual topo. So it's fairly flat, and these walks lead to a ravine. There's a creek back there, a park, and these what's very interesting about these hamlets or these individual sections of housing is we want to create a walkable neighborhood, but everything's under security. Everything's behind either a wall or a screening fence. And what we want is the ability to go through the guard gate, and not just for the cars, but for the walking. So we've done a lot of these neighborhoods for Amarillo, and we've got it got down to a science. We want to create the most walkable neighborhoods, the main trails, this circular walk that really takes and merges the entire community together. And then each section is coved. Now, they do have various housing products. We're just showing one here, and they're single family homes. All of this neighborhood is single family. Now, it could go to more of a multifamily using the same patterns. You can see the tremendous views down the people's rear yards, yet we're able to maintain a fairly good density. And it looks very, very attractive, but what happens with these neighborhoods, not only is it a nice plan from the air, but it's a beautiful neighborhood from the ground. So as we're going along the trail and the perimeter streets, we're looking at home fronts. That would be more less of a screening wall and more of a wrought iron fencing in this area. And then where the rears are, you would see more of a screening wall. Now this is the view down the main trail that cuts through the site until we get to this next section. Now over here, we did not redo the topo. This is all natural ground. And what we're doing is these are slab on grades. They don't have basements here, even though the elevation's around 9,000 feet. The interesting thing about Bogota area is that it's the same climate year round. The lows maybe 55 during the day, highs maybe 75. And this really gives an opportunity not to have to worry about snow or double pane windows. And they really do a tremendous job, Amarillo does, on the housing. But I use the one product just for visualization. The other idea here was to maintain view corridors to really have an expansive view of space, not have any earthwork on an extremely difficult site to work with. And again, we've done thousands of homes, probably approaching maybe planning tens of thousands for Amarillo over the years. They do an incredible job. Very fun to work with this company and very fun to work in the Bogota region.